Hey guys, welcome back. So I have a problem with my diesel heater. I've only owned it less than a year, probably like 9 months. I think I bought it October, November last year, can't remember, but it's worked great when I bought it. But when I came to the shop a month and a half ago, I realized that we've got a leak sitting all over. There's diesel leaking all over the shop. And I didn't know where it was coming from, so I had to take it apart and figure it out myself. What I found is this seal started leaking. I have no idea. I didn't build this unit, so I have no idea why that started leaking and why other people haven't started leaking. But we're going to change out that seal with something else. So I've got this O-ring assortment kit. And from my understanding, these aren't just regular rubber. These are more like silicone or something like that. So I'm going to try and see if there's one in here that'll fit versus a cheap dollar store version of an O-ring. We'll see if these ones will work better. So we've got some pretty decent sized O-rings, and they're not... They don't stretch easily as rubber, because you know how you get those rubber ones, and when you tighten the seal, they'll stretch out and they'll just squish outside of the, whatever you're trying to seal. So it's like, what's the even point? And I'm not just going to dab like Sikaflex or RV lap sealant on top of this joint just to seal it, because it's not going to last long, because the diesel will probably eat away at the gasoline, the diesel, whatever, it's going to eat away at those rubber seals. Hopefully these rubber seals will work good. So we're going to pop off that fitting and see if we can get this back to working order.
Bad relationships will often end in disgust. And I know you want my love, but there's nothing to discuss. I don't need you in my life no more. I don't need you in my life no more. I got no money, it's getting sunny, but I still feel cold. I've been nose running, you funny, you
Grab a battery and a battery charger, and we're going to plug this in.
just burn it down. It's always wintertime inside my mind. I find it hard to bear, 'cause it gets cold and blurry. Yeah, it gets cold and blurry. She took my heart and then discarded all the...
Got it temporarily wired there.
Welcome to use air heater. Start heating level 10.
I'm gonna have to figure out a better way to connect this. This is just temporary because I wanted it to let this run for 10 minutes because it sat for like 5 months. And then I found out there's a leak a month and a half ago. And now it's repaired. There's nothing leaking. So get yourself some high quality O-rings for this. Probably not this one. You could probably just buy the specific size you need, which is this one here, which is that size right there. That's the one I used. Fuel pump is priming. See some air bubbles just going into the system. Once I know this is working, I'll add some more fuel and we'll use it when winter comes. Oh, she's starting to warm up. No leaks so far. When I turn it off though. So there BB, I fixed it. Well, we'll see in a few days if there's any more diesel leaking on the ground here. You can kind of see the remnants where it was leaking. I cleaned up the best I could and let it dry out for the last few weeks, and then once the cold temperatures started hitting, I was like, it's time to fix the heater, because then when I'm working in the shop I can just flip it on, do whatever I need to do in here, and I won't be so cold. Not that the cold really bothers me, but when you're in here for a few hours, it's nice to have a little heat. Now, it is just a tin roof with plywood walls and no insulation, so maybe one day we'll get up there and throw some insulation up there. But thanks for watching, guys. If you guys liked what you saw, remember to make sure you replace that O-ring if you buy one of these Vevor diesel heaters. And thanks for watching, guys. We'll see you guys in the next episode. Later.